The news is that CAF announced 2026 World Cup African Playoff. Now the news in full. CAF don announce the 2026 World Cup African Playoff, and the team when e go play am, Nigeria go face Gabon, Cameroon go face DR Congo. Based on one or two matters say Nigeria not to perform for inside the group stage, so na im go come make dem go play the playoff. Or dem go play the playoff for inside Morocco from the month of November 13th to the November 16th. All the match dem go take place for inside Morocco town o. Now Nigeria don come do orukuruku when be say dem take slash Benin 4-0. Victor Osimhen come make us proud o. You can continue the reading, but my most take on this is that abeg make all these our footballers dey play well, no come dey play all this kind matter wey dem dey play, so e no make sense at all, because dem wan give us some kind heart problem. Well, na the small killing news wey e dey for now be this. For that day we go still let una know before the day run out. You when you don watch, like, comment, share, follow, so that you no go miss every other update. God bless you and enjoy the rest of your day.